Okay, let's look at lesson 2-4 and let's do number 1 on page 64. Okay, the equation is C plus 23 is equal to 48. It's telling me that C is equal to, they want C to be 35. Okay, now in this lesson, what we're going to do is we're going to stick 35 into an equation. We're going to substitute it. It's telling us that C is going to equal 35. So wherever we see the C at, we're going to go ahead and substitute it with 35. So we're going to go 35, and of course everything else we bring down, plus 23 is equal to 48. Well, if I add 35 and 23, I'm going to get 58. So in this case, 58, and I bring down the 48, 58 is not equal to 48. So in this case, this is not true. And that is all you're doing for lesson 2-4. This is all you're doing. They're giving you an equation. They're telling you what the unknown number is. When you put the when you put the number in the equation, then you have to confirm, does that make the solution correct? Yes or no? And in this case, we have another one that says no. Let's go ahead and do one that says yes. Okay, for number 3. For number 3, we have our equation. Our equation is saying 96 is equal to 130 minus D. Okay, now, if we, and it's telling us, okay, it's telling us that D is equal to 34. Well, in this particular case, all I got to do is substitute where I see the D, I got to substitute it with the number 34. So I'm going to rewrite this all over again. 96 equal 130 minus 34. Now, when you're doing this equation, I know, and I've told the class many times, I don't want you adding or subtracting horizontally. I want you to work the problem out on the side. Work the problem out on the side, and then bring it back into your line. I want real nice, neat, your problems worked out really nice and neat. Now, 130 minus 34 is 96. So now I'm just going to bring everything down. 96 is equal to 96. Well, 96 is equal to 96. So for problem number 3, this is your answer. It checks out. Your answer does check out. And that's all you're doing on lesson 2-4. Very easy. We will go over it in class a little bit more, but if you need extra help, this is what you're doing for this lesson.